Devotion is the sweetest emotion you can nurture within yourself. Those who know the sweetness of devotion within themselves, their hearts are always full. The world and its many problems has no impact on one whose heart is full of devotion. May you know the wonder of being a devotee. Being a devotee or being in devotion does not mean your devotion is about something or someone. It essentially means you have brought your heart to a permanent state of sweetness. And this is also a very profound dimension of intelligence. Those who feel the world with their devotion, they see the world with much more clarity than most other human beings. They may not have a logical expression to it, but they have embraced the world. In this embrace, there is a knowing which can never be known through the dissections that mind will conduct.